De-risking the executive holiday. Tip number 1. Email. I was in a client session a few years ago, and this woman told me, very successful, very driven person, says that was the best holiday ever, according to my children. And I said, oh, why? She said, well, on the way, we were in the departure lounge, and my child put a bottle of water in my bag containing my laptop and my mobile phone. What my child didn't realise, and I didn't realise, was that the top wasn't on properly. And about 10 minutes later, when I checked, the bag was flooded, the phone was trashed, and my laptop wouldn't switch on. So at reception of the hotel where we were staying, I made all sorts of elaborate arrangements for my email and forwards and telephone numbers and everything. Within about 24 hours, I stopped asking at reception because nobody was forwarding any emails or messages. 2 weeks later, on the return flight, my little girl turned around to me and said, you know, Mummy, that was the best holiday ever. And of course, when the lady asked her daughter why, she said, because you weren't on your phone all the time. Few of us realise how we damage our time by spending leisure time, which is supposed to be for a mental break, which is supposed to be for time with our families or loved ones. And we damage it by continually looking at reminders of work and taking our head somewhere completely different, where it shouldn't be. So, for this holiday, here's the tip. Possibility number 1. Take your work email address off your phone, out of the client, the email client, or switch it off. Tip number 2. Just don't check your email at all. Put on the out of office and disappear for a couple of weeks. Why not? Have a good one.